In this video, you will learn about zero conditionals. This topic is a part of compound sentences. Zero conditional sentences express general truths, situations in which one thing always causes another. To form a zero conditional sentence, always use the present simple tense. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. Or, the grass gets wet if it rains. You can also use when instead of if. For example, you can say, when you heat ice, it melts. Or, the grass gets wet when it rains. The words if and when can be used interchangeably in zero conditional sentences. This is because the outcome will always be the same, so it doesn't matter if or when it happens. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. Or when you heat ice, it melts.
Let us look at a few more examples of zero conditional sentences. If babies are hungry, they cry. Or, if people eat too much, they get fat. Or, if you touch fire, you get burned.
Now you know what a zero conditional sentence is and how they are used to express general truths.